Go.
Hi. Hi.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Alrighty guys, back at home. There's a cat over there staring at me. But, got some parts from my old place. Chuck in the garage.
Day 3.
Alrighty guys, fast forward 2 days. I had to take the Forester over to my parents' place to pick up a couple more things. And the coolant is down. Got it on charge at the moment. But if I pull this out, we got the coolant leak and oil leaks. So I believe heater hoses need replacing, and they do go all the way around because of the top mount. So I might just run some straight line. It should be right. Have a look at the other side. Should be able to get away with some straight. Look at it from here to there. Then we got from here to down a little bit lower there. So it should be okay. I think I might have some here or some still at my parents' place, but I'll have a look when I go over there. Yeah. Let's see if it will start. First try. It actually was first try. Got air getting into the system. Yeah, we've got coolant leaks. Go for a drive? Go for a drive?
Let's go.
It's great. No squeaky steering wheel. No squeaky steering, Marley.
Everything is awesome. Speed boost, speed boost, speed boost.
Speed Yeah.
Did you get that black thing in the game?
No.
Oh, where's your...
I boost. Something's not right. Only
Pardon?
hit like 9.5. That's a win. Go. Miss driving this car.
Pardon?
Miss driving it. Now that the power steering's good.
Yep, Papa.
Probably's not back yet.
Grandma?
Grandma's at work.
Oh.
Yes.
What?
It's good.
He might be on his way home.
Yeah, he was at Scrap Metal Place. I think he's building another billy cart.
Hmm?
Righty boys, let's see if I can fit a double mattress in here. Alright, I'm gonna go spot Marley. Can you see him? He's not there. Yeah. Started. Alright, let's head home. Get this into his bedroom and I'll bring the Skyline back. Made it back, but I don't know where my house keys went. Alright boys, back in the Skyline. I enjoy driving the Forester now that it doesn't squeal at me because of the power steering. I miss driving that car. Right, back to the parents' place because Marley's there. And yeah. I swear I'm going to destroy this front bumper on the driveway. What's the first DD car I've seen? I don't know if you guys watching have DD. They're like Uber. I think they're pretty new to Melbourne. I think it's Melbourne. Anyways, the battery's about to run out in the GoPro, so I'll catch it when I recharge it and do something fun.